7 places in the world you are not allowed to visit. North Sentinel Island, India. It is a small island belonging to the Andaman chain. The people inhabiting the island are quite protective of their isolation. The Sentinelese tribe have been living on this island for over 50,000 years under the protection of the Indian government. This region is strictly prohibited for visitors of any kind. Snake Island, Brazil. Ilha de Queimada Grande, also known as Snake Island, is an island off the coast of Brazil in the Atlantic Ocean. The island is small in size, covering up 43 hectares, and has a temperate climate. There are around 1 to 5 snakes in this region per 10 square feet. The government has made it illegal for people to visit this island. There are 4,000 golden lanceheads on this island, who are the deadliest serpents on the planet. Coca-Cola Vault, Georgia, US. While we often enjoy the magic which Coca-Cola does to us, but the formula behind it is one of the most legendary secrets which has been held close for ages now. The formula is kept in the Coca-Cola Vault, in the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Georgia. This formula has stood for over 125 years of history. Special moments, memories have been associated with the iconic beverage. Povello Island, Italy. It is a small island in North Italy located between Venice and Lido. This place is a strict no-no as it is said to have many dark secrets and a twisted past. It was even used as a plague quarantine station, wherein 160,000 infected people were hosted till their final days. About 50% of the soil here consists of human remains. Bangar Fort, India. Located in Rajasthan, India, it is a 17th-century fort that is considered one of the most haunted places in the country. The government of India has officially declared this place as haunted. Tourists can't visit this place post-sunset till sunrise. The only time they can visit this fort is during the day. Whoever has tried to break this rule has suffered and was never to be seen later. Heard Island, Australia. It still remains one of the most unexplored places on Earth. It lies between Madagascar and Antarctica. It is completely barren in order to preserve the fragile natural beauty. While on the other hand it has 2 active volcanoes on the island. The Australian government has restricted entry to this island. Doomsday Vault, Norway. It is a seed bank situated in the heart of the Arctic Svalbard archipelago. It is a secure vault that preserves a variety of plant seeds. It is meant to safeguard the seeds in case of an apocalypse or global crisis from every nook and corner of the globe. The seed crates are sent to the vault for long-term shortage. To add to the mystery, this vault is only open to special guests on special days.